Asheli from Not a Toy Reviews, and today we're unboxing Mommy Mailbox. Look at my hair, woo. This is a monthly subscription box for mom. They do have the addition of the Miss Mailbox, which is for women that don't have children but still want to enjoy the box. It's $33.95 a month. Each box has, I think, 5 to 7 items curated by an influencer. They're themed assortments. This is the December box, I believe. No, this is the November box. This is Give Thanks. The featured blogger this month is Summer Green, a mommy and the boss baby behind both The Greenish Shop for stylish accessories and Raph and Moose for the cutest baby blankets. And then on the back it lists each of the items that you received. I think they have like a $55 to $85 value, something like that. I will link down below to them with my affiliate link. I will also link to my full review, which I will be going in depth. This is just a quick unboxing to see what we received. So here's the top of the box. When we pop that baby open, and there you go. All right, there's always like a snack too. That's a nice little treat. So first we have this thing. I don't know what it is yet, but we'll look at the insert then. It's got like a tassel, and then there's this orange cream colored puff. It might be like a shower, but I don't know. I don't know. We'll look at the card then and find out what that is. Okay, this is from Glow for a Cause. This is their Ylang Ylang and Lime Facial Clay Scrub. I have tried their Calendula Citrus Face Cream. I used it for a while. I felt like maybe it was starting to break me out, so I stopped using it. But I do like their products. They always have like this very nice smell. Yeah, it smells really good. I'll try this out because I do like a good scrub, a good exfoliant. And their products are really high price. Very good too. All right. Then we have Ocho, the original organic candy bar. Caramel and peanut. Nougat, caramel, and peanuts covered in milk chocolate. Like, I need this in my life. But yes, I need this in my life. How many calories is it? 1 bar, 200 calories. I might have to, I'll eat this much and then I'll share with the kids. Is it fair? Is that fair? I think that's fair. What do you guys think? Okay. Then we have these Give Thanks little napkins from Slant Collections. I like to use these when I give my kids snacks. They're real cute. Everybody interrupts me. Why do you have to knock on the door? All right. That's why they have Mommy Mailbox. Seriously. All right. So these are from the Slant Collection, a brand of PM. I've never heard of this company. But these are super cute, and this was for the November box, so it makes sense that you would have this when you have your pie. Very cute addition. All right, and then finally we have, oh no, not finally. We have 10 paper straws. These are orange dots. These are always cute just to give to the kids. I always pass these out and it makes whatever drink, especially if it's water. If you're trying to give out water, all the kids are now, this is so cool. So these are orange polka dots. You guys know that I love orange. So we'll also do a price breakdown on the blog. So this says Star Stuff Collective Opalite. So opalite, I just received a stone that was opalite. It's a little angel. It's this very pretty opalescent. It's a beautiful bracelet. It doesn't tell you anything about this, but it's pretty, and I love the iridescence of it. Perfect for the winter. I think it's super pretty. I like it. All right, let's look at our insert and find out what this tassel dude is. I'm really curious. All right. The Ocho candy. The Glow for a Cause. By the way, those products are usually like $30. That's probably like the price of the box. The facial scrub. Pom Pom Tassel. This is from the Greenish Shop. These beautiful handmade jumbo pom-poms are the perfect way to add a little pop of color to any bag you own. They look darling on diaper bags, backpacks, clutches, wallets, purses, camera bags, and so much more. So it's just a little accessory to add to your bag, or maybe your car, you know, what is that called? The mirror. Rear view mirror. Wow, it took me a minute. So just a nice little assortment of items. I will link down below. Let me know what you think of this box. I always love to hear you guys' comments. I will link down below to my full review. I will also link to Mommy Mailbox with my affiliate link so you can check them out. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.